When your car needs repairs, you can take it to a trustworthy professional. You wouldn't treat your boat any differently. But how do you know who to take it to? That's where the American Boat and Yacht Council has your back. Since 1954, the American Boat and Yacht Council, or ABYC for short, has developed safety standards for the maintenance, repair, design, and construction of boats. Chances are, if it floats, it's built to ABYC standards, and if it's built right, you should maintain it right. ABYC members and certified technicians put their customers' boating experience first by ensuring that their work follows the rigorous industry standards, so that the job is done right the first time, every time. These marine professionals have the expertise and commitment to safety all boaters should demand when looking to buy, survey, or repair a boat. So keep an eye out for ABYC's logo on display at your local marine service provider. They will be proud to show you their credentials. Or use ABYC's online directory to find a qualified business near you. Contact a pro you can count on and get back to what you really enjoy: boating.